Python os.listdir shows protected files. So, I'm trying to make myself a Python script which goes through the selected music folder and tells the user if specific album doesn't have an album cover. It basically goes through all the files and checks if file -4 column in.jpg, .bmp, .ping, if true, it found a picture file. Just to make it clear, the structure of my folders is Music folder, Arctic Monkeys, Humbug, 2009, Suck It and See, 2011, Morphine, Cure for Pain, 1993. And so on. I'm testing the script to find if there's a missing cover in my Arctic Monkeys directory, and my script goes through the Humbug, 2009, folder and finds albumartsmall.jpg, which doesn't show up in the command prompt, so I tried show hidden files/folders and still nothing. However, the files show up once I uncheck hide protected operating system files, so that's kinda weird. My question is, how do I tell Python to skip searching the hidden/protected files? I checked out the how to ignore hidden files using os.listdir, but the solution I found there only works for files starting with, and that's not what I need. Cheers. Edit. So here's the code.
You can use with the Py132 module, and manually test for file _attribute _hidden or any number of attributes. Like so. After you alter a file, take a look in the folder, it won't be hidden anymore. Found this information here and here, checking file attributes in Python. Alternatively, you can try to use the os.stat function, whose docs here, and then use the stat module to further understand what you're looking at. Found these relevant questions. Python, meaning of SD_mode, and how can I get a file's permission mask?
Listen,